This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Chinese stir-fried broccoli with dried chilies and Sichuan peppers. For this recipe, you will need broccoli, some dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorns. Now, you can use more or less of this depending on how numbing and how hot you would like this to be. Sesame oil, oil for blanching, and more oil for stir frying. Some salt. To prepare the broccoli, cut the broccoli up into florets. The stems are pretty good to eat too. All you need to do is to cut off the hard outer fibrous layer, exposing the soft inner core. Then, cut the core into strips. Give the broccoli a good wash. Next, cut the chilies in half and shake out all the seeds. You don't need the seeds, so you can discard it. Bring some water to a boil and add in some salt and oil. When the water is boiling, add in your broccoli. Bring your water back to a boil and give it another 30 seconds or so. Then remove. Blanching your broccoli for too long will make it really soft and give it this sad greenish color. At this stage, the vegetable should be shiny and has a bright green color to it. Put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your Sichuan peppers and your dried chilies. Stir fry this for about 30 seconds to a minute till the chilies turn brown. Next, add in your broccoli and stir fry them for about a minute or two. Ensure that all the florets are coated with this Sichuan pepper and chili flavoured oil. Add in some salt. Add a splash of sesame oil around the sides of the pan. And turn off the heat. And the fumes from the chilies and the peppers are going up my nose. Taste and adjust for seasoning. This is Chinese stir-fry broccoli with dried chilies and Sichuan peppers.